Bullish AXS value forecast is $19.03 to $67.66. AXIE endlessness, AXS, cost could likewise reach $70 soon. Bearish AXS cost expectation for 2022 is $11.68. In AXIE vastness, AXS, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about AXIE limitlessness to break down the future development of the digital money. AXIE boundlessness, AXS, current market status. The cost of AXIE boundlessness, AXS, is $12.91 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $89,175,143 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, AXS has expanded by almost 8.6% as of now. Besides, AXIE limitlessness, AXS, has a coursing supply of 90,330,451 AXS. AXIE limitlessness, AXS, exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, FTX, Bithumb, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin. What is AXIE vastness, AXS? AXIE limitlessness, AXS, is the administration badge of AXIE boundlessness, an Ethereum-based play-to-acquire, P2E, NFT game. AXS was sent off as an ERC20 token in November 2020. Furthermore, the token likewise exists as a BEP20 token, viable with the Binance Savvy Chain, BSC. AXIE endlessness was sent off by the Vietnam put-together Sky Mavis with respect to the Ethereum blockchain in 2018. This P2E NFT game incorporates the AXIEs, local NFTs, and another administration token, Smooth Love Mixture, SLP. By playing this game, clients acquire AXS and SLP tokens and later trade those for other digital currencies. AXIE endlessness, AXS, value forecast 2022. The above graph of AXIE boundlessness, AXS, spread out a falling wedge which is a bullish example. Along with a rising wedge development, these two make a strong example that flags a shift in the pattern course. A falling wedge design is viewed as an inversion design, in spite of the fact that there are models when it works with a continuation of a similar pattern. The falling wedge design happens when the cost is moving in a generally bullish pattern before the cost activity remedy is lower. At present, AXIE limitlessness, AXS, is in the scope of $12.52 assuming the example proceeds. The cost of AXS could arrive at the opposition levels of $12.91, $14.95 and $19.50. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of AXS might tumble to $11.70. AXIE boundlessness, AXS, backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of AXIE boundlessness, AXS. The diagrams show that AXIE limitlessness, AXS, has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, AXS could run alongside the bulls surpassing its opposition level at $67.66. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of AXIE endlessness, AXS, could plunge to nearly $11.68, a negative sign. AXIE vastness, AXS, value forecast 2022, Rival, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of AXIE vastness, AXS, is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of AXS lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of AXIE endlessness, AXS, is displayed in the diagram above. Eminently, AXIE boundlessness, AXS, cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in an upturn. As of now, AXS has entered a bullish state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of AXS whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file, RSI, of the AXS is 42.64. This implies that AXIE endlessness, AXS, is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, This implies a significant value inversion of AXS might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange AXIE endlessness, AXS, value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX, of AXIE endlessness, AXS. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of AXS is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of AXS increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of AXS diminishes. AXIE boundlessness, AXS, value forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, AXIE endlessness, AXS, could likely achieve $75 by 2023. AXIE limitlessness, AXS, value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, AXIE boundlessness, AXS, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, AXIE limitlessness could mobilize to hit $80 by 2024. AXIE limitlessness, AXS, value forecast 2025. If AXIE vastness, AXS, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, AXIE limitlessness would revitalize to hit $85. AXIE boundlessness, AXS, value forecast 2026. If AXIE endlessness, AXS, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, AXIE vastness would energize to hit $90. AXIE vastness, AXS, value forecast 2027. If AXIE vastness, AXS, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, AXIE boundlessness would revitalize to hit $95. AXIE vastness, AXS, value forecast 2028. On the off chance that AXIE vastness, AXS, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, AXIE endlessness would hit $100 in 2028. AXIE boundlessness,